Alright, good day everyone. In this video tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to export your work. Remember, we designed this in our last video tutorial. So in this video tutorial, we'll be exporting our work, and I will also be creating a back cover, ebook back cover for you here now before we close this meeting for the day. Alright, let's go straight. All you have to do is to click here. Click there. Let's go. Now click at export image. Export image. Click there. Now at this export image, you will see custom. You will see custom, and you will see a drop down arrow here. Click at the drop down arrow. Then select ultra or very high. Select any of the two. For me, I choose ultra. Then you click at save image. Save to gallery. You can save it. You can share it to WhatsApp, Facebook, or whatever, but I prefer this to be in your gallery so you can share it from your gallery. Alright, save to gallery. Rendering image. Wait for it. Now, this our ebook cover is now down in our file menu, file manager. That is our phone gallery. Let's check if it's here. Alright, file manager, let's check. So this is it. You see our wonderful work. This is our wonderful work. Wonderful. Very neat and awesome. Even this one looks more good, more preferable than the first one I did. This one very neat and awesome. Alright. Now let's go back. Let's go back because we'll be designing the back cover here. Now all we'll be doing here now. Remember, what we'll be designing here is the back cover. Now we'll be hiding all these things. All you do here is to click here. Then it will show you up this place to appear here. Then all you do here now is to keep hiding. Hide everything that is hideable. Hide everything by clicking at the eyes. Hide everything that is hideable. Hide everything that is hideable. Hide everything that you can hide. Now let's just leave this one for now. Alright. Remember, we are about to arrange a back cover. We are about to arrange a back cover. Let's go. Now the next thing is to add an image. First of all, let's check the back cover we are going to work on. The back cover will be editing. The back cover will be editing. Right? Let's import. Click at import. Alright, the back cover will be editing should be this. You understand? So we'll be editing this. We'll be editing this now. So we'll follow the rules. Now, what we have to add here now is firstly, let's first create a good background for it. Let's import. Now this. Right. Now import this. Right. Copy. Now copy it. Now let's reduce the opacity to 9. Reduce the opacity to 9. It's to 9. Alright, now we'll be aligning this. We align this to be normal by clicking here. Let's align it. Alright, click here. Then click here. Now let's check this. 7, of which it should be 8. Right, it should be 8. Okay, then here it should be 92. Correct. Now click here. Let's align this and keep it in a normal position. Right. So here is already good. Now another thing is to keep it in a good aligned measure. Now let's make them be at the same straight line. Right. Now the thing we are going to be doing here now is to position them normal. Position them normal. Right. Now let's go. Go up. Right. Now the next thing we are going to do is to put this. It's now at the normal straight line. Now the next thing is to copy this. Let's copy this. Also copy it again. Now the next thing is to position this to the normal line and center. I believe you are getting what I'm doing. Now let's increase the opacity to know what we are doing. Right, so I'm good to go now. Right, so let's go. Let's lock this. Now the next thing is to add my picture. Let's import a picture. Import my picture. Right, I made use of this picture here. Right, so let's add it. Exactly the picture I made use of. Now let's crop it bits. Let's crop it again. Alright. Now reduce the size. Let's reduce the size. As you can see, this one is facing right, while this one is facing left. So what I did here was to go to 3D turn, 3D rotate. This 3D rotates here, and I rotated it. So I rotated it like this. The angle at 180 is straight line. So you can see it here. So I rotated it. That was what I did here. I believe you are understanding what I'm doing. Now the next thing, we drag this markedly good. Drag this to the top. Drag this to the top. Drag this to the top. But I have to make the opacity of this to be more blurry. Now let's do that in a jiffy. Opacity. Let's reduce it to 546. The same thing goes to this. Opacity 506. 5. The same thing goes to this. I locked this and this and this and this. So I have to do something with them. Now opacity. Make it 5 or 6. Let's make it 5. This 5. This 5. This 5. 5. Alright. Now let's go over there. We are getting there. Alright. So what we'll be doing here now is to resize this. Resize our image. Now let's resize the image. Yeah. So we have here 20, 20, 14, 2014. So this is what we have here. And the next thing we will do here is to add stroke. Let's add stroke here. Let's add stroke. The stroke should be 9. Stroke width should be 9. I believe you're seeing what I'm doing here. Stroke width should be 9. I clicked on at this plus sign and this minus sign to reduce and add. So that is it. Now the next thing is to start adding our text. Now firstly, let's click at this A. Now, so we'll be clicking there. Click there, then click at this text. Click text, right? Now let's double tap or click at edit. I've shown you this before. Click at edit. Now let's click at edit. Now let's type in about the author. About the author. Alright, so let's add it. We'll be making it bold. Bold. Now the next thing is to make it bold. And another thing is to choose a good font for it. Let's choose the good font for it. Remember, the font we have been making use of since is Amrestler. So we still make use of the same font because it is said simplicity is the key. And that is my slogan. Honesty and simplicity is the key about the author. And remember, there is this color we've been making use of, yellow color. So we also make use of this yellow color here. Let's make it yellow. Let's make it yellow. Let's make it yellow. Let's choose the color. Click at this color here. Sorry. Click at this color here. At this color here to make it yellow. I've shown you how to select your color. Either gradient or normal color. So the next thing is click either of these and then click the plus sign to select your color. But now I'm not going to be selecting color because I already have the colors listed here because I have already created the color. Alright, now click here about this, about the author, something like this. Right, let's make use of this. Now here we'll be making the size 30. About the author, the size should be 30. The size should be 30. Alright, now the next thing we'll be doing here is to add stroke width. Stroke, click on stroke. Remember, the stroke should be black. Make the stroke 18. Right, 18. We are coming up gradual by gradual. Now center align this. Let's center align it. Now bring this thing down a little bit. Bring it down a little bit. And shift it a little bit. So we are getting there gradual by gradual. We are getting there. All right. Remember, this should be on center alignment. Sorry for that. This should be on center alignment. center alignment. Why this should go up a little bit. Alright, about the auto. Now, the next thing we have to do here is to start adding the text. The text, right? Alright. Click at text, click at plus sign, then double tap. I have already arranged my work. I've arranged my work, so this is it. This is what I have for the book. So before you do yours, you must have to arrange yours like this. Paste it here. No more. Now, let's go there. Let's make it bold. Make it bold. Right. Then make the size 17. The size 17. Alright, then change the color to this. Alright. Click there. Now put stroke width. Add a stroke to it. Make the stroke 2. The stroke width 2. We are getting there gradual by gradual. Now let's shift this. We are getting there. Right. The next thing we are going to add is also text. Delete. Now double. Let's copy this. Now all we'll have to do here is to reduce the line space to -2. Right? Reduce the line space to -2. Then click this. Let's add the next. The next should be, before we add, let's copy it. The next should be this. Let's copy. Now let's go back. Let's paste. Right. Okay. Now click at OK. Now let's make it look good. Now come to this. Right. Now what we'll be doing here is to believe you're getting what I'm doing here. Right. Alright, now we are getting there gradual by gradual. Let's keep accelerating. keep your eyes steadily on what I'm doing. Right, we are getting this gradual by gradual. Now, the next thing to do is to, firstly, let's go up a little bit, or before we go up, let's copy this, center align it. Center align it. Let's copy book overview. It's not a difficult task. So copy it. Right. Now let's double tap to paste. Okay. So you have to center align it. So that is it. Now, remember, in all you do, remember to save your work to avoid mistakes, or maybe you never know what happened, or maybe something just occurred and your work disappeared. You can just simply go over to your project here and get your work back. Now let's save this work before moving on. Always save with anything. Right. Forget about this part. Then click here to go back. Right. Now we have book overview. The next thing is to copy this. Let's copy this, then keep it under here. Now let's go and copy the next thing we need. So the next thing we need is this. Alright, so we have copied it. Let's go back. Double tap on this. Double tap on that. Then paste. You have pasted it. Now all we have to do here is to arrange the work in a good manner. Let's arrange our work before we post. Alright. Alright, so this is it. Line spacing. So now all we have to do here now is to readjust this. Let's readjust this. Right. Alright, now let's shift this up. I believe you are getting what I'm doing. Shift it up. Let's shift it up a little bit. Shift it up a little bit. Now shift this up so we get this. Now shift this up as well. Let's go there. Now I'm going to bring this alphabet down in size a little bit. 16 as well. 16, then here 16. Right. Let's bring it down a little bit. Move up. Remember to center align this. Center align this as well. Right. Now move up. After that, move up again a little bit. Let's go. Now let's move up again. Move up. again, move up again, move up again. Now move up again, move up again. Alright, move up, move up. Let's align it in an accurate manner. Alright. Alright. Now let's add another image. Let's import my logo, the logo of the editor. Alright, let's search for it diligently. Now this is it. I'll pick any of this. I will have to pick any of this. Right, let's go. Let's make use of this. Right. Alright. Let's reduce the size of this to 15 so we have space for this. Reduce it to 15, then shift this up. Shift this up a bit. Also shift this up. Then let's shift this up also. Alright, now for this, let's add stroke. Let's add stroke to this, and the stroke should be 9. Remember, we are going with black. 9. Right, so that is it. Another thing we should do here is add text. Let's copy this, copy. Let's select the downside, which is this, published by. This is my email and my website. Right, now come down here and highlight all these things, delete them all, then paste that. Right, let's go there. Let's go there. Now let's change the color to white. Color to white. Now, as we change the color to white, published by, this digital should be in yellow. In yellow. Right. And let's choose yellow. Let's choose yellow. This digital is yellow. This should be in blue. This should be in blue, the alphabet. Let's go. Right. Let's leave it like this. email should be on blue. The email should be on blue. Similarly, email should be on blue. Alright, and the website as well should be on blue. Website should be on blue. Yep. Now, this email here should be on yellow. Yellow. Should be on yellow. So I believe this is all you need to know concerning this. That thing is to align it. Make sure it is at the straight line. Now let's go there. Right, let's align it. So the next thing, remember to keep space here for your code, back cover code. Keep space here, depending on how you want to design your work. So I just showed you a simple tips on how to design an ebook front and back cover. So that is that for this. Alright, I believe this is what you need to know concerning designing your ebook cover. The next is to click at these three dots here to export your image. Export. Here to export image. Remember, click here. Click insert custom. Click at this down arrow to change it to very high or ultra. Click at ultra, then save to gallery. Click at save to gallery. Save to gallery is saving. Is saved. So I believe this is all you need to know concerning designing your ebook cover. In my next video tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to mock it up. That is how to make it look like a real book cover. Alright, have a wonderful day. God bless you.